everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do an orange Gremolata. Call it a dressing, call it a sauce, call it a condiment, you call it whatever you want. Anyway, it's a few simple ingredients. Today we're going to put it on tuna. We will sear a tuna for you, a piece of tuna, to show you how that's done. It's going to be quick and easy. Alright, we are back. You don't want to chop this parsley to submission. You want it to have you want it to be light. You don't want to be taking all the liquid out of it. You can see the garlic going through there. And you can see I've already added some orange zest of 1 orange to that. And we're not going to need 2. So make sure when you're zesting, you just take the zest off. See that? Don't be getting into that pith. You'll be getting into that white stuff. It's going to be bitter, and it's going to be taste like crap. So I don't want you saying, "Oh, Corey, I did what you did, and you know what? It didn't turn out good because it tasted bitter." That's because you went too far into your orange. Don't do that. Anyway, I think we got enough of that in there. So that's probably an orange and a half of the actual zest. A little bit of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper flake. And then we're going to add some delicious fresh cracked pepper to this. And what I like to do here, and you don't have to do this a lot. Some of the recipes say don't do this. But I'm going to bring it together with a little bit of olive oil. Like so. Just bring it together. And give it a consistency that I like. Like I said, you could add different flavors to this, whatever you want to add. So get together here. However you like it. You don't even have to do this stuff. If you just want to sprinkle that on top, go ahead. It's your recipe, you do what you want. I'm pretty good with that. What do you guys think? Look good. Alright. So here's the tuna next. Alright, I checked it for flavoring. It tastes really good. But we're going to kick it up a few notches with some orange juice, actually. So we're going to squeeze half an orange in there. And that should do it. Hey. It's gonna be delish. Got them all seasoned up. Salt, pepper, some olive oil. And we're gonna go stir those off. They're gonna be delicious. Alright everyone, I snagged Jen's new griddle pan. Look how fun. Anyway, she's gonna eat some tuna, she'll like it. We're gonna put a little oil in there. And we obviously got our delicious tuna that we're going to put on there. So here we go. Right there. And there are other. Alright, nice high heat. We're going to watch if it comes up here. That's going to be a good indicator of when our tuna is done. And when we want to pull it. But we want to do a good stir on the first side. Second side I'm not so worried about, but we'll see what happens here. Alright people, time to plate this deliciousness. So we got our delicious tuna back here, and we're just gonna do a cross hatch here with it. There we go. We got our tuna. Beautiful looking tuna. And I'm going to use my hands. They are impeccably clean, so I'm using them. Got some roast potatoes back here. We're going to use those. Those are fingerlings. They're my new thing. I've been using them a lot lately, actually. So let's go back there. And then we got some delicious roasted carrots. Lay on top. And actually lay around a little bit, because they look so delicious. So we got all that, and then what do we need? We need our delicious Gremolata, don't we, guys? I mean, come on, we need that in our life right now. There it is. A little bit over our tuna. Around the plate, it goes good with anything roasted also. It's actually made for ossobuco, it's only made for ossobuco. But there we got it. And can make it look a little more, because we did use orange, so we can put a little orange in there. Orange there. Alright guys, there you got it. Gremolata, orange Gremolata with seared tuna. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Cooking with Corey.